Hi everyone, Rebecca here, and I'm so excited to share with you these carbon filters.
Was gifted this in exchange for my review. And this is what came with the box. You have a cloth that you use to wipe off the blade fans before you place the carbon filters on the blades. The box came with 5 of the filters, and the filters are great because it's like having an air purifier in your home right on your fan. The filters are adhered by Velcro, and the Velcro seems very long lasting. And then you just pull off the backing and you'll put that right on your fan blade. These active charcoal filters are a versatile way to effectively freshen your home. You just wipe off with the towel that was provided, take the backing off, and stick that right to your fan blade. It was so easy to install these. These filters are going to really capture all the stuff you don't want in your air, also keeping the top of your fan blade clean. These coconut shell carbon filters are going to be a great addition for on top of my fan and really taking place of the old clunky air filters that are loud and noisy. They were all so easy. I put them on all 5 blades. And the carbon filter will be very helpful on the blade because as the fan spins and pushes the air out, it will freshen your air. All in all, these are great coconut shell carbon filters, and I do suggest them. See you guys next time.